oranges wala. One more time to the beach.
Hello. We're going to Vegas.
Ang galing ng packet, ano?
Oo nga.
Fresh fruit.
Fresh fruit.
Monterey? Monterey.
Oranges.
Yeah.
Going to Vegas.
Ay, packet pa sila dyan.
Maganda yun sa kaliwa.
I lost you. Are you there? Oh, just playing it. We're on the mountain. We're like surrounded by mountains.
Yes.
Where's Clint Eastwood?
Yeah, totally.
Go ahead, make my day.
This is Arnold Schwarzenegger country.
Yeah, how short is your hair?
Ay, yung mga boulder.
Kaya na nga eh. Ano kaya ang scientific explanation?
Nagkaroon ng nature explosion. And then it's showered.
You do like a mohawk for the
Babarilan. Where's FPJ? Tatago pa dun si Max Alvarado, no?
Maybe she comes out.
Sige, pakita niya.
Namatay. Nalaglag sa kaman.
Laglag sa kama dahil pagsagot lang ng telepono.
Napagok ang ulo, nakantok.
Greener's ready.
Bilis bumunot ng baril, pero...
Playing video with it.
Yep.
Hey, Kamisha, can I call you later?
Because this is a sharp
Oh, it's even better. Right?
bar here.
Gusto mo tayo tumayo? Sabi ko,
Tumayo, ano?
buksan mo yung bubong.
Lumabas dun, ano?
Pag ka? Pagyaw.
Pagbaba mo, wala ka ng ulo, ano? Wala ka ng ulo pagbaba mo, ano?
Hindi ko lang.
Ano? Yan, ang ganda, oh. We'll drop! It's a drop zone! Down and down and down! That's the beauty of nature. Yes. We have the panoramic view of Mr. Lazaro's properties.